We at LMW, we are very happy to participate this EMO, the 50th edition. We were visiting EMO very regularly and we find the value for participating this EMO to expand in the European market. Particularly this time we have appointed an agent in Italy. We will also appointing agents in Germany and also in France and expand our operations in EMO. This is the platform where we can showcase our products and being the first day, it is very well received in the exhibition, and we have also exhibited the automation and the total solution providing. That way, we find it is an exciting moment for us to expand in the European countries. We are very happy that we participated this time.